And when we run the toggle, we have 24, 23, and 0 is 24. Numbers is the same as the way that I did for the panel. So it's the another way. Instead of using the panel using this way, it's up to you. I just wanted to explain each component as I can. And you need to add the uh, gym pool component instead of the panel component. It's easy to follow, uh, and as I told, it's completely depends of you. So let's be organized each options. We have another option, option number 3, to add the schedule. I will explain about these options later on this tutorial. Just now pick up the components. The component is the fixed interval schedules. I will explain about this component later. Is the fix, as you can find on the name of this component is the fixed interval. It means the fixed number, and you have a fixed number for each year, and just adding the numbers on the value. I will explain about this later. I try to I'm trying to add different types of the schedule for each, for example, for each schedules that we have. For example, for occupancy schedule, for activity schedule, and lighting schedules, and others. I try to add different, ways that help you to learn how you can add the different options on each schedules that you have. For example, for activity schedules, I'm planning to use the search schedules. For example, for lighting, I'm planning to do it. Let's go to pick up the search schedules. Just type lighting. As you can see, we have different. We need to item select, use the item selector. They have a different types, and if you want to select one of the schedule, you need to use the item selector. Okay, it's done. As I told you, if you want to know what is the schedule, you need to use the construct, uh, schedule component, and then find what is the schedule, for example, for 24 hours. And you can see is the 23, 0 to 23, and you can see what is the schedules that we use. We can see the time limiter, different parameters that we have for each part. We have we can see the data. um, so it is the way that you can use for lightning schedules. We have a different options, but I for this conference room and this space, I prefer to use the search schedules options or default options. Let's go for equipment. We have, as you can see, we have different options. Just pick up one of them that according to your project or everything that you want. For now, just for generic office equipment, added the electrical equipment schedules. So you can add this weekly schedule as well. It's up to you. For gas equipment schedule, as um, we are not planning to use the gas equipment in this special office, so you can go you can so because of that, you cannot use the gas equipment schedule because you don't have a gas equipment in your building. For example, if you have the gas equipment in your break room or kitchen room of office building, you need to use the gas equipment schedule. But for example, conference room, we don't have any gas equipment in the space, so we don't need to use and have the schedule, the equipment schedules. If you have the gas equipment in your conference room or office or something like that, you need to use the uh, you need to have gas equipment schedule. So it's completely depends on the location of and your project. For example, in some countries, the cooling and heating system just they're using the gas, and so you need to use the uh, this part. So maybe on a break room, just we need to add or not. It's up to us. Let's go for. You need to add type exactly the same, same name. If you have a mistake, the search schedule can not find what you want exactly. have an office infiltration we need to use or generate. For this tutorial, I use the generating as others, as like others part and then just connect the component. If you want to know, you need to deconstruct schedules.